Hi guys, welcome to the Data Analysis Expo. Now we will see about the paired test. Okay, so for this analyzing, we will use one data set. So before going the data set, I just import the pandas. Import as PD. So just shift enter. So now I just place the location path, pad test. I just give one name. Okay, so pd dot read underscore csv, place that location. So now I am using the one data set. It's like a before after BP level. So pad test, shift enter. This is my data. So these are the remaining columns where it's a null value. So I have only the patient data, then gender, age group, BP before, BP after data. So it's having the 120 rows. Now I am using the pad test. Okay, so I'm importing one packages. From SciPy import stats. Okay, now we are selecting the only two variables from these populations or only two samples from this population because it's like a pad test, right? So it's like dependent variables. I'm just choosing the pad underscore test. So this is my variable name. So I just copy that column name, place here and put the comma, then BP after. So here I just put the C or I describe. Okay, now you are entering the test. That means T test comma P value STATS. I just enter the packages test underscore. It's like a relationship. Pad underscore test, right? So next I just put my first variable. Its name is BP underscore before comma pad underscore test. Then my next variable name is BP underscore after. Now I just print the record, print P value. I just check it. Here I am facing some error. Also it's like a before spelling. Yeah, here the error was represent the before spelling. Okay, before. So we are just changing that value. Now again shift enter, we get the P value, that means 0.001. Next I just check the hypothesis if it is reject or accepting. So if P value less than 0.05 intent, print reject null hypothesis. Right now else print accept null hypothesis. Okay, so now current p-value is 0.0011, so I think it's a reject null hypothesis. So reject null hypothesis, what's mean? That is no just equalize the mean values in between the two variables or two groups. Okay, so this is called the paired test. Okay guys, thank you.